Look! The Topdon Phoenix Max and the Topdon Phoenix Scope is also helping me to diagnose electric vehicles' onboard chargers. Let me show you. In this episode, with the help of the diagnostic breakout box for the electric vehicle onboard charger, I'm going to use the Topdon Phoenix Max and the Topdon Phoenix Scope to diagnose the control pilot of the electric vehicles. Every time you plug in an electric vehicle, your grounds, your line, proximity sensor, and control pilot. If by chance your electric vehicle's charge is giving you trouble, how in the world are you going to have access to these signals, especially considering that the control pilot is a PWM? There's no way that we can diagnose this in the vehicle, otherwise we'll need to take apart absolutely everything. So what I'm gonna do, using this breakout box, I'm gonna use the scope to read the waveform. Here we go. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to simulate that I'm charging a vehicle, which is exactly what's happening at the moment. Using my scope, that of course I already set it up, I'm just gonna use one channel. I have over here the breakout box that allows me to connect to the ground, and then of course, one of the most important ones, the waveform pulse width modulation, that the control pilot that allows the vehicle to control the charging rate. Here we go. Let me plug it in. All right, nothing more and nothing less than a simple waveform control pilot coming from the electric vehicle onboard charger in order to communicate to the charging unit. If by chance you're having a trouble, you definitely need to scope this signal, understanding that this waveform can vary between the voltage and the vehicle's requirement. It's super easy using the Topdon Phoenix Scope. So yes, this is truly an amazing tool to diagnose a waveform coming from the electric vehicle's onboard charger. I can also stop the signal, and I can monitor that the waveform, it's giving me with no problems at all. Let me zoom it out. Let me zoom it as well. So yeah, you can clearly see, very easy to set it up. So you can completely monitor your waveform of the onboard electrical charger using the Topdon Phoenix Max and the Topdon Phoenix Scope. So if you want to learn more, stick around for more tips. Bye-bye.